parang, well, anyway, so isa lang ako. So, tinatanong si Gaya kung sino gawin ko, parang sino gawin ko sino yung sample, ito ko yung sino, ganyan. So, wala. Anyway, so basta, ang hirap, gano'n. So, anyway, during that conversation, so that's when America answers my prayer. So, well, you're really up, diba, you're set fast, isn't mo alam siya gawin mo or what, ganyan. So, well, God answered prayers. Hindi niya hayaan na pagsakalan. So, that time, parang suddenly, sa chapel ako doon, parang may dumating na kakilala ko, sister from, well, parang ate-ate siya during college days, na she's full of wisdom. So, that time, she's the one who gave the advices na, kasi nga, parang pinahisip ko doon, parang naisip ko parang mag-ready na lang, ganyan. So, as in, parang ganun ako parang depressed, desperado na sa buhay. Yun, sobrang hindi ko alam kung ano yung gawin ko. So yun, parang that's one thing na parang amazingly dumating yung friend ko yun para kahit pa paano yun, parang maibsa ang aking kalagay. So, parang yung direction sa at that point. Tapos hindi lang doon, so kasi medyo hindi ka kaya sa sister na yun. Parang during that time, so I received a call from a college friend. Actually, that time, there's also an ongoing CLP. So yun, parang it's just very timely na I was searching for God, I was searching for myself din. Tapos, pinadala sa akin yung call. So kasi God knows na kailangan naman ibigay lang ng verses. It's best for me to, to move on in my life. Yun. Tapos, yun, so God and me call. So yun, so gusto ko mag-iwala na agad. Just trust in the Lord, not worry. Yun, tapos, as days, years, months pass by. So, nung yung beds, wala yung mga kanina I was the one who's full of what if. Kasi one of the what ifs ko doon, kasi nga computer science graduate ng kanina, pero I didn't like that course kasi I was a frustrated accountant. So, parang I was thinking, sana kasi accounting graduate, dapat accounting graduate ako kayo, dapat accountant na ako, yan. So, ayun, so parang, what if, gano'n, hindi kaya yung course na tinapos ko. Tapos, actually, after graduation, isip ko pa rin, mag-enroll na ako ng accounting, so don't be gano'n. So anyway, so I was like, for 2 years na gano'n, like 1 or 2 years siguro, isip ko yung gano'n. Pero, parang, yun, 2 years din pa rin, nag-aaral yung gano'n. So parang, nag-link ko, so mas, parang mas nagiging okay na yung direction sa buhay. Kasi meron mga friends, mga brothers and sisters na nagsasabi sa'yo kung ano yung dapat kong gawin. Gano'n. Pero of course, the direction of God. So, yun. Pero parang that time, actually, sobrang nag-echo na sa akin yung parang phrase na to na, do not ask God on where to go if you're not even willing to take the first step. Yun, kasi tatanong tayo kay God, ganyan, pero sabi niya, dito, pero akakaw naman dito. Mga gano'n. So, anyway, so somehow, yun yan, parang nakikis, nagreklamo ako kay God noon, pero walang ginagawa, parang walang ginagawa yung action. Kasi ako, I understand, pero hindi man mag-enroll. Pero yung that time, so, yun, parang mas lumakas ang nililog ko, para ano ko kasi may support ako for the brothers and sisters in Bicol. Yung gano'n. Yun. So anyway, so that's one. Yung sa pagkakaroon, yung wala yung wife ko, Yun, isa kasi mga drama ko din mo, so parang, di ba, yung talk last week na I was, yun, parang malakas, or actually significant. Yun, parang for me, period na rin yan, significant period. Pero, yun, through my journey, so mas, na-realize ko lang na I'm significant, yes, ito yun, I was insignificant, but in the eyes of God, I'm the most special one. Yun, so as I continue with my journey with God, I learn to trust Him more. Yun, so lahat ng decision ko, I consult Him in prayer, and give Him my full trust and confidence. And yun, amazingly, the result is always far more than expected. So in my journey with Him, yun, wala na sa science in the day. So even those 3 jobs I had, I know all of them benefited me good lessons, and really, parang there's a reason why I have been through those kind of jobs na tinigyan ko. And even the computer science course, so parang may dahilan bakit yung okay, so yun. So parang they all part of the business puzzle of my life. Actually, okay, I can share it before. But before I end, so let me tell you where my income comes from each year. Okay. So kasi may part-time job, it was tutors for the students, so I learned their numbers. Chill is 7. So 7 is my favorite number, so 7. Yun. And then, so that's why I like chill. Pero as time goes by, yung chill na yun, hindi lang siya, parang not only chill na number 7, but chill as English, usually na relax na. Yun, kasi parang yung message sa akin nila, so every time I am tested to worry, yun, so parang sinasabi sa akin nila na chill. Yun,